Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today we are just gonna go to the Colosseum and experience Rome. So yeah, same as always. I've been having this trouble lately where it is very bright at some points of the day and then very dark at others. So it's very confusing on what ISO to use in this building. But yeah, I'm not really sure how warm it is out, so let's take a look. Jacket weather. I think I'm gonna bring a jacket. I think that I don't really have too much going on today, just the Colosseum and then something to eat, so that's about it. And yeah, let's see where Rome takes me. Commence B-roll. Let's head out. You guys, this place is pretty awesome. It has stray cats living in this ancient city, and it is just the coolest thing ever. Like, this ancient city is amazing to begin with. It's just sunken, and there's just these cats just living right in it. It's awesome. And for those of you who do not know, I love cats, so that's a plus. Chris, look at this. There's a cat right there. Well get. That was a fail. Apparently they close at 3:30, so the Colosseum is literally right there. And it closes at 7. Yeah, I can't get in. So, be back tomorrow, ruins, and Colosseum. So guys, that's where we're gonna end it today. I didn't get to see the Colosseum as planned, but I got to see the ruins, and I'm gonna get up a little bit earlier and make sure I go see the Colosseum tomorrow. But other than that, it was a great day. Saw awesome ruins and just had good pizza again, you know? Can't beat that. But remember guys, just keep living life.